last session, replacement analysis. Consider a project for year 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. During initial investment, $20, no cost, and salvage value at end of year, $80,000. In all of them, one of the 4 ovens at a backward considering for replacement. Its salvage value and maintenance costs are given the table below. This is for oven, old oven and new oven. For old oven, its salvage value at end of year and maintenance cost. For old oven, we can suppose salvage value at end of year 0 equal to P. We can suppose it initial investment again. Then we can write if or old oven, old oven if lifetime equal to 1 of year 0 or P is $20,000. Type it public chat. And cost for year 1 year 0 E SV is this number $17,000 and cast as in year 1 for OC1 is $9,500. Now we can find UAC 1 equal to %, P multiple A slash P, comma, I finding I example. %. I is 10%. MARR is 10%. 10%. If we used old oven Defender for 1 year. Defender for 1 year. Comma 1 plus cost in year 1 9 500 minus SV, this number 17 A/F 10% 1. All oven called Defender. If lifetime equal to 2, if assume lifetime 2 in for 2 years, if we use old oven for 2 years, for 2 years. All right, P 20,000, SV 40,000, OC1 and OC2 6, and you can find EOAC2 20,000, APIOM A/B 9,500 plus plus 100 A/F 10% 2 and minus 7,000, excuse me, 40,000. SV 40,000. A/F 10% and 2 years. For finance capital recovery, P minus S, main cost, maintenance, and you can find EUAC total. For 1 year, UAC, 1, this number, for 2 years, UAC is this number, for 3 years, UAC can find this number, UAC3 is 143.2.6. For lifetime 3, its lifetime is 4, can find UAC4, this number, happening public chat. Now compare UAC. UAC for year 3 better than economic life is 3 years with UAC equal to this number. Repeat. I think we want to use Defender all open for 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 years. For 1 year, find UAC. For for 2 years, find UAC again. For 3 years and for 4 years, find the UAC. In column UAC, this number less than other numbers. Economic lifetime is 3. I mark it. It's 3. Better than all of UAC, with UAC equal to this number. It's for old oven Defender. For new oven, we can find new oven for 1 year. New oven, I type it. 11 called Challenger. Maneuver called Challenger. If lifetime equal to 1 for Challenger, P 80,000, SV after 1 year 75,000, OC is 0. And find UAC 1 80,000 A/P 0 and minus 75 25,000 A/F. And UAC 1 UAC 1 equal to this number. If lifetime 2 or Challenger, P no change, but for 2 must consider these numbers. For 2, SV equal to 70,000, OC1 and OC2 equal to 0, UAC2 P I/P 0 and minus 70,000 A/F for 2 years me check. For 2 years. And EAC2, find this number. One, two, uh, 762. Oh. If lifetime is 3, UAC 3 is this number. Find this. And if lifetime for challenger was found, UAC 4 equal to this number. I type it public chat. Economic life for new. I type it, one moment please. I type it in public chat. Economic. Life is 3 years. We find economic life for defender. Economic life defender. Is 0, is 3 years. And economic life for challenger. Three years, 2. For economic life defender, UAC 3. Type it for defender. And for challenger, we find UAC 3. We find lifetime, economic lifetime for defender and challenger. UAC defender bigger than UAC find it. Yes. UAC render bigger than UAC challenger in year 3. In economic lifetime, UAC 3. We Replace oven this year. Please copy this written in public chat. Please copy public chat. Last written. Last written public chat. Please copy for you. Replacement analysis. A new example. In example, we must find UAC for this cash flow. We can write this. The cash flow diagram below indicated for costs associated with a piece of equipment. The investment cost is $5,000. $5,000. And there is no salvage value. Salvage value is 0. I write it P is 5,000, SV equal to 0. And it's years. Drawing at first 3 years. Piece of years the equipment is under warranty. So no maintenance. 3 years no maintenance. After 3 years, it's maintenance. For 12 years. For finding UAC, I must write MARR equal to 50%. So it's factor of your solution. What we find? Determine equivalent annual cost. Equivalent annual cost. EUAC. I type in public chat. P is 5,000. SV is 0. N 15. UAC is 5,000 A/P. I think trying it. A/P. A/P, comma 50%, comma 12 years. No, one moment, please. It's right. For N equal to 12. The estimate maintenance cost over 50 years. Follow the pattern shown in the cash flow diagram. Determine the equivalent annual cost EUAC for N equal to 12. Okay. 10 is 12. We must write A/P. Maintenance, number of maintenance, cost of maintenance, determine the first year's number of warranty, the estimate maintenance cost over 50 years. Follow a pattern showing the view. In the pattern, I can find maintenance cost. This example. You can find this number in example. You can find. Gradient and uniform. Let's calculate for 12 years. A/P salvage value 0. This example rank. Not enough information for solve it. See example 3. And it. No other example. For replacement. Defender. Defender is the existing equipment or building previously implemented. Challenger. The proposed replacement currently under consider. Aspect of replacement analysis. Using available data. Determine the analysis technical. Determine the base comparison between alternatives. Use analysis technical when different marginal cost can be computed and is increased. Defender marginal cost can be computed and is not increased. Defender marginal cost is not available. Considering possible future challenger after tax analysis. The replacement power engineering replace the exit due to obsolescence, technical change, deflation, loss of market value, deterioration, where that is overly expensive to repair. Consider before starting is the morally or ethically right to do this project. If a unit fails, must it be removed permanently from service or repaired? or a standby unit available if the system should fail. The components or unit fail independent of the future of the other components is a budget constraint. In the event that the unit can be repaired after failure, if there is a constant of the capacity of the repair difficulty. Okay, enough. You'll learn only example 1. In final exam, I give you number of defender, cash flow for defender, and give you cash flow for challenger. You must find economic life for defender and economic life for challenger and compare it and say replacement is acceptable or rejected. Any question? You only learn example 1 completely. I hope you are fine. See you in final exam. Goodbye.